Hello there. Today's video is going to be about installing software through group policy. So let me sign into the domain controller. This will allow me to install software without actually ever logging into the machine. So let me click Start and Admin Tools and Group Policy Management Console. I already have the MSI installer package. That's MSI Microsoft Installer Package in a folder on this machine. So the first thing I need to do is go find it. So go to Computer, C Drive, and it's right here in this Programs folder. It's actually an installation of Firefox 3.0. So let me right click, and I'm going to go to Properties, and I have to share this folder so everybody can get to it. So go to the Sharing tab, and I can, since this is Server 2008, I can just add everyone and make them a reader. I can get more granular, but I don't really care to make it more granular for the purpose of this video. Besides, if somebody wants to come and steal my copy of Firefox, they're welcome to. So now that I have the Group Policy Management Console open, I'm going to make a new group policy object. So right click, New. We're going to call this Firefox 3.0. So that's what it is. So now I'm going to right click on it and edit this group policy. And I can publish this to either the computer by going to software installation, but I want to publish this to the user. So I'm going to do user, policies, software settings, right click, new package. So the new package is going to be at / the name of the server, which mine happens to be Server 2008A. And it's in the Programs folder, and there's a 3.0 folder in there. It's important that I do this over the network because that's how everybody's going to be accessing it. I can't be going to the C drive, and it actually says right here, network, the machine's name, and the folders. So I can't be going to the C drive to do this. I got to be doing this over the network. So at this point, it's going to give me a chance. Do I want to publish this? Publish this means that the users will have a choice of whether or not it gets installed, or I can assign this, which means that assigning means that it will be published whether they like it or not. When you do to a computer, you assign it usually. When you do it to people, you usually get the choice of published or assigned. I'm actually going to do advanced so I can choose some options. So it comes up with the advanced screen. And like I say, the advanced screen has many options. It knows that it's Mozilla Firefox. It says that it's published, but I'm going to assign it. And I get to option of install this application at logon. And also this uninstall this application when it falls out of the scope of management. This is important because if I ever remove or disable this group policy, then that means it will uninstall the program on the client computers. And this install this application means at logon means as soon as I log in the computer it should install it. And I also get the option of do not display it in add or remove program panel. I don't really care if people see that it's there. I also get the option to upgrade. So this will upgrade a specific GPO, which if I want to upgrade to a newer version of Firefox, I have the option there. Categories, modifications, this is where I would put in like keys for software if I were installing Office. And security, which the security tab's not a lot of use here. So, okay. And apparently I've got some kind of error message. I want to see what the properties say here. Everything looks good. Alright, I'm going to continue on and see what happens. So the idea now is I should apply this to something. I should have a specific OU or a specific group, but I'm going to do it domain-wide. So Firefox 3.0, and I want to remove authenticated users because I don't want everybody to have this. I want to add this to, so this could be a group or whatever. So, you know, specifically the sales department or the accounting department that needs this software. Right now it's just going to be administrators that get this software. So I need to log into my Windows 7 machine here. So let me Control-Alt-Delete. Put in my password. I may actually have to run a GP update. So that's GP update /force/boot/log-off. And it may actually say something about how I have to log off to update the group policy. Ah, there it goes. So I think that's going to work because it's logging me off right now. So let me log back on here. And Firefox should be on my desktop. And there it is. There's Mozilla Firefox. It's wanting me to set up, don't import anything. There's probably an option that allows me not to require any user interaction when I install it. But that's a little beyond the scope of this video. I want to do help and about Mozilla. So you can see that it's Mozilla 3.14 right there. Alright, so hopefully this has taught you how to install software through group policy, and you'll get to play with the server more for it. Thank you for watching.